For today, my Dylan will cook with me. No, it's hot. Ito tayo ng tinola. Tinola na may lemongrass. Yeah? So, oh, we're going to put the chicken. Put the chicken. Okay. And Mama, yeah. Mama will. Let's wait lang na maluto ang ating mga chicken. Yeah? Yeah. Where's my kiss? Here. Yes. So heavy. So there's the chicken. Look, the chicken. And then let's split it up. Okay. Okay. Yun the rest hindi pa. Okay. Oops. The next, can you put this one? Ginger. Put the ginger. Where's your two hands? Where's your two hands? So the. Wait. Put. It's hot. Okay. Good job. What about this one, ginger? Also put. This is hot. Okay. Okay. Good job. And then we will just mix it. Wow. Oh, so many. Yeah, later. Okay. We will put the water. Put the water. Carry. Use your two hands. Okay. And then put this one. Put this one. Lagay ito yung lemongrass. Yeah. So, baba na natin siya. Yeah. See? Tinola for lunch. Luto na ang ating tinola. So, ito na siya. Na guys. Medyo yung kulang na lang is yung dahon ng sili, which is ilalagay ko na siya ngayon. Ay, nasi po, busy na siya sa pag-nood, as usual. So, ito yung dahon ng sili. Dahon ng sili ang available kasi wala kaming dahon ng malunggay. Hindi ko alam, yung grocery shop dito sa amin gusto nila ng stock. Kung meron naman, bihira lang. So, yan. Lagay natin.